Hey there folks, today we're going to talk about a new roundabout that's been added to the A630 WestMoorLink. This roundabout is located at the intersection of the A630 and the new estate, and it's going to make a huge difference for drivers in the area. The new roundabout is part of the WestMoorLink project, which is designed to improve traffic flow and reduce congestion. It's a welcome addition to the area, and it's sure to make a positive impact on the lives of those who live and work in the neighborhood. Here it is very important to choose the correct lane and to use MSM routine. After that you pass the exit before your exit. So, if you're a driver in the area, be sure to familiarize yourself with this new roundabout and its rules. It's a great example of how infrastructure improvements can make a real difference in our daily lives. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more updates on the latest developments in your community. Until next time, safe driving.